Oh, hello. Happy Wednesday. Oops, sorry. Is there a sweet little farm pup in the pond? Flubber! Hey, cutie! Came out to investigate the sound. Do you hear that cacophony? Well, how could you miss it? It's very loud. Sounds like we've got a whole bunch of red winged blackbirds in the wetland behind our pond. See those dried cattails back there? That's where the sound is coming from. I haven't seen one bird, but I can hear them. It sounds like hundreds of birds. So beautiful. It's late October and it is super rare for us not to have had a hard frost at this point. We had a very, very soft frost a night or two ago. But right now it's like 65 degrees, nice and balmy. Feels pretty warm considering how cold it's gonna get this winter. And we're getting ready for it, but we are enjoying this warm climate while it lasts. And apparently so are the red winged blackbirds. Just wanted to capture the moment. We come out here after we finish our chores and we look for the wild grebe, who we often see hunting out on the pond at night. She's usually swimming and hunting for little fishes out there. So cute. She's not out tonight, obviously. Probably because of all the noise. I hope you're having a great day. We love you. We miss you. See you soon. Bye. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.